How to book a ride for someone else in Lyft. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to book a ride for other, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application, just like this. After opening it, simply set the pickup location, just like this. By default, Lyft uses your current location at the pickup spot. Instead of that, tap the pickup field and enter the person's pickup address. Now choose like this. So you need to choose the pickup address of the other person. Now type the destination address for the person you are booking the ride for, just like this. Then simply choose the ride type and tap the request left option and share the ride details with the rider. Once the rider is confirmed, share the driver's info, car details and tracking link with the person who will take the ride. You can do this via text or messaging apps. And that's it. This is how you can book a ride for someone else in Lyft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.